Hey y'all, it's Christmas Eve, and today I'll be showing you how to make a quick and easy Christmas bow. I use 6 different types of ribbon in assorted colors, patterns, and widths. To start, I cut each strand to approximately 15 inches long. I just eyeballed the first strand and used that one as a guide for the rest of my ribbons. I cut 2 strands for each different ribbon for most. Except my 1 inch green burlap ribbon, I only had enough for 1 strand, so I just substituted for an extra natural colored burlap strand. I separated half of my ribbons because I'll make some with larger loops and some with longer tails. To make the loops for the bow, I took one end of the ribbon about halfway down the strand, pinched it together, and twisted the ribbon a few times. Make sure that you always have the front side of the ribbon facing outward. Repeat this process for each of the strands and hold in your other hand to keep them together. If your hands are small like mine and you can't fit all the strands in your hand, you can hold them with a wooden clothespin to keep the loops secure while you finish making the other loops. Secure your bow with an 11-inch zip tie and trim off the excess length. Weave another longer zip tie through the one that is used to secure the bow. This zip tie will be used to attach the bow to a wreath that I have a tutorial on coming out tomorrow. So make sure you watch out for that one, and if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. I make a bunch of DIY videos just like this one. I also have a brand new 9-part series called Wreath Making for Beginners coming out starting the first Monday of January. And I cannot wait to share it with you guys. And now our bow is complete. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. I hope y'all enjoyed this easy Christmas bow DIY. If you like this video and want to see more DIY ideas, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, a Merry, Merry Christmas to you.